Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry celery with cashew nuts. Hope you like it. Cashews are sweet and fragrant. It's symbolic of abundant wealth. Celery has a very good meaning. The Chinese character chin in celery is homophonic with the Chinese character chin in diligent, so celery is a symbol of hard work and wealth. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: celery, ginger, cashew nuts. Roast or fry cashew nuts for better flavor. If you buy raw cashews, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Place cashews in the middle rack of the oven and spread evenly. Take out and stir every 5 minutes. Repeat 3 to 4 times depending on the size of the cashews. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Cashew nuts turn golden brown and serve. Sliced ginger. Peel and cut celery into sections. Chopped celery leaves and set aside. Stir-fry ginger slices. Add celery and stir-fry. Add a teaspoon salt to taste. Add a tablespoon water if too dry. Optional to add chicken powder. Add celery leaves. Add cashew nuts and stir-fry evenly. Let's plate celery. Optional to garnish with more crispy cashew nuts on top. This dish is very simple and easy to make, but very delicious. The taste of cashews and celery goes well together, and it's really delicious. Cashews represent wealth and prosperity. They should be placed on the table on the first day of the Chinese New Year to satisfy your cravings and bring good luck. Cashews contain up to 21% protein and are rich in trace elements such as calcium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc. Cashews can replenish physical strength and eliminate fatigue, making them very suitable for people who are easily tired. Cashews are rich in oil, which can moisturize the intestines and promote bowel movements. They also have good skin beautifying effects and help delay aging. Cashews also contain a large amount of protease inhibitors, which help prevent cancer. Cashews are rich in oil and can easily make people fat, so people who are trying to lose weight should be careful when eating them. Some people may have allergic reactions to cashews. People who eat cashews for the first time should eat them in small quantities and be cautious. People who regularly eat celery have significantly lower cholesterol levels in their bodies and can also significantly lower blood pressure. This dish is simple and easy to make. Make this dish as part of the New Year's vegetable recipe and share it with your family. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.